guys, our Unwrap Me Satin Bow Teddy is a Yandy babe favorite, but you may need help putting it on, so we're here to teach ya. Step 1. Step into the teddy. Hold the teddy with the bow facing forward. Step into it with the thick satin strap in front of you and the thin straps behind you. Gently pull it up to your body. Step 2. Get into the arm straps. Pay attention, this is where the confusion happens. Slip your left arm between the thick satin strap and the thin strap and pull the thick strap over your shoulder. You should now have a thin strap across your bust. Step 3. Pull over the halter strap. Loop the thin strap across your bust over your head like a halter top. This strap may be tight, so adjust the teddy on your body as necessary to make the transition. Step 4. Adjust as needed. Finally, pull and adjust the teddy as necessary to fit it snugly against your body. And here's a quick tip for ladies with a larger bust size. You can pull down the right strap under your shoulder and tuck it in to also wear it like a bandeau. You may need to pull from the front to the back to get the cup secure. And that's it. You're ready to remind your partner that you are their gift. Have fun, Yandy babes.
Hey YouTube, it's Yandy.com. If we left you satisfied, prove it by checking out our channel. And don't forget to subscribe.